Hello again, loves. We've got a July reveal for third quarter designs. I've got 3 collections. Normally they come out with 2, but as July is their birthday month, they have a special bonus one. So let's go ahead and go through this one right here, which is Christmas in July, kind of, right? Because it's snowflake season. And I am loving the colors on this. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. I know. Okay. So, they are still working. So, when you guys get your collections, these will actually have the, examples. Oh my goodness, that was horrible, wasn't it? Yes, the examples. So they usually put examples back here, but as we get our collections early, sometimes they don't have it all done. So look at this. And on the front and back, the cover sheets always have usable paper. So I am totally loving, I think on this one, like I'm designing right now, but if I cut that window out and put a picture there, how cute would that be? And honestly, other than a few 3D embellishments, the page is done, right? Now remember, B-sides are always easy to work with. The A-sides are the more dramatic, almost completed for you. B-side, kind of a half and half design. You could do it like this with the snow, and then you've got, the night sky. But then here, oh my word, look at how luscious all of these things are. I can totally see myself fussy cutting that out. Same here. So you do actually have like a double page. You guys know I show you this all the time. So obviously one is meant to go one way and the other way, but this would be trimmed down to a 12 by 12 and you would have a double page. A double pager because they have these beautiful quotes at the bottom. What is Christmas? It is tenderness for the past, courage for the present, and hope for the future. Over here we've got some more beautiful, look at those lights. The packages. Christmas magic is silent. You don't hear it, you feel it, you know it, you believe it. That's kind of cute. I'm not going to read every one to you. So the next two, again, you have a very cool similar design. One's vertical, one's horizontal with some snowflakes and just some really beautiful stuff going on there. Get these beautiful florals up here, and then a wonderful fireplace scene down there. On the back side of this one, you have this glorious little deer, some snow and some flowers. Then again, the next two, similar. So we've got like a tone on tone. And then you've got this beautiful little birdies, little love birdies. Why am I out of screen? Out of frame. Little house down here. This one, a beautiful snow fountain and then some bells. The next two are both similar like this with some little snow flowers. And I love this. I want to fussy cut that out. And then, just look at it. Backside of the next two are similar to this. Beautiful frosty fireplace. I love the introduction of these light bulbs. And then you've got that. And then the last piece is this beautiful, you can make like a little 3D flipper. And then that's the cover page again. And then as always, you get several of these sheets so you can do some matting. And then you've got some little die cut elements to create some very, very fun stuff. Fussy cutting galore. And then you actually even have the ones that are punched out for you. So that is all in the main part of this collection. So let's do that. And then I have an added element here, which is the mini project sheets for called Snowflake. So it we got a Christmas tree, we got all the fun stuff, so it goes with the collection. And then we have the tuck and play cards, which this will be the first time that I've got these. And you have this beautiful cover sheet there. And then you just have a whole 3x4 cards. So you can fussy cut. The back is just a blue. So again, some more 3x4 cards. But just look at the detail. Like, look at how beautiful that girl is. And then the back side. So these are what they call tuck and play cards. Backside again. So the backside in all of them are just the same. Oh my goodness. And then you've got the 4x6 cards. And then, I mean, look at that girl. She's gorgeous on a level of gorgeous. And then just like elements that you could, like, I would totally fussy cut most of this out. My hands are gonna be hurting. I like the red Santa because he pops out, and then you've got the blue Santa. You got some little lovebirds. The characters are just gorgeous. Okay, so that is it for that collection. Let me just go ahead and slip that in a bag. You guys know I love this company. Ooh, hold please. My foot was stuck. And grab my next bag, and then the next one that we're going to come up with is blooming peonies. So we've got tuck and plays for that. And then the main kit. So see, this is normally what I was talking about. So the examples, it actually says it. Why I didn't just read that one. You can pull these out. So this is a nice subtle pink. On the back side of this one we have a beautiful, like the peonies. This you could cut into strips and have some lace. Get a beautiful chair. I love the artwork. It is just gorge. So this is like a mauvey sandy color. Again, beautiful peonies, some fun backgrounds. And then it like ombres from the dark pink into the light. A little pinstripe. Look at that. Look at how much fussy cutting fun. Then just some really photorealistic lace. I love that. Oh, look at the little booties. And then another photorealistic lace. Then you get the flowers with the lace. So beautiful. Oh, look at that. You like cut that out. This looks like wallpaper. Look, it's coming off like old wallpaper. Beautiful. Look at that, just in the key. This looks like the pink paint is chipping off, revealing that peachy color behind. Gorge. Again, a little deeper on the colors. Oh my goodness, look at that. And then the other cover sheet has got this beautiful wreath that is begging to be fussy cut out in there and just do something fun with. And then again, we have all the strips that you can use to mat and fussy cut out of. And the die cuts that you punch out. So along with that, we've got the tuck and play cards. Whoa. Okay. So we've got these, which are double-sided, so the back is just all going to be that really cute, beautiful, very light pink. So we'll just flip through those. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at the camera. Look at the old TV. Some of you may not even know what that is. Showing my age. Me and my husband were just talking about that. Like, we remember when the microwave was new. I love the peony and the wood grain heart. And then you got these. So you cut them in half and you got, I think those are going to be 4x5. Oh my stars. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh, look at the little birdies. I'm telling you, look at that TV, you guys. Look at that TV. I have not looked at this yet. I try to wait to look with you guys. And the cake. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me throw that. Alright. Let's stick this in a bag. I just don't like the crinkly bags. It's not that I don't like them. It's just they make a lot of noise. All right, and for their birthday, this is a bonus birthday pack. This is an extra pack to celebrate Third Quarter Designs' 6th birthday. 6. And it is Captured Moments. Again, the examples are not on mine, but they will be on yours. Head over and see if you can pre-order or just be on the lookout for all of these very, very fun items. All right. We got a beautiful stripe. Look at that. Then we've got, it's a tan with a whole bunch of like mixed media stamped on it. Oh, look at the camera. And then you've got all the fun florals. I love this color palette with like oranges and teals. Not really teal, that's a seafoam green. Oh, look at the little guy taking a picture. More of that seafoam green. Definitely love this stuff. And I love how they do like the sketchy pencil marks on there. I really don't know why, but I do. I love that. It looks like it's just so messy mixed media. And you guys know I love the messy mixed media, the old cameras, the film strip, begging to have that cut out and stuck on this paper. Polaroid, the old film wheels. Oh, it's got a calendar. All kinds of fun stuff stamped on there. Look at that one. I just am apparently not going to be in frame for you. I apologize. I'm getting too excited. I need to calm down. Some fun stripes. Old movie lights. And then again, with these fun elements. It's a fussy cut me. And then you got the 2 dies. And then the back of the cover sheet is all these fun film strips. So that's fun. And then the tuck and play cards for this one as well. It's just, and the back side is going to be just all the same, but how gorgeous is these? Look at them. Oh my word. Just all about pictures and just, oh my goodness. I love the old cameras. I love the addition of the old things. I think it's retro, but it's fun. And then we get, look at how beautiful these people are. Oh, look at all the film strips and the very beautiful girls. Some in black and white, some in color. Just taking their pictures, living their best life, right? And then one more, and that's going to do it, you guys. So don't forget to stay tuned to see all the fun things that we create this month with these collections. Head over to the Facebook groups and like all the design team members, give some love, and I will see you later to create with these collections. Bye.